Yes, welcome back to Naas. I'm delighted to be joined, of course, by Gary Finlay from Finlay Ford at Naas, of course, sponsors of our Grade 3 that we saw Dancing City run out an impressive winner, race 4 of the afternoon. Gary, great to have you here at Naas. Your long-standing sponsor, of course, Finlay's here at Naas.
Yeah, we've been sponsored here at Naas for plenty of years now, and happy to continue the association. They do a wonderful job. They've really looked after our sponsors, done a great job on the track, and always quality runners here, so it's great to have the association with Naas Racecourse.
And of course you're only based, literally a couple of miles over the road?
Yeah, literally 5 minutes away, so it's very handy, and to be connected with a track like this on our doorstep, it's great.
And of course you've been, it's a massive dealership as well, obviously for Ford and Volvo as well. Finlays have been based in the Kildare area for many generations now.
Yeah, third generation now. I think 1936 is when it was started. So so it's we just have to keep it going, and it's going okay. So get lots of support from the local community, and no, it's great. Happy out.
And of course, not just at the Naas you sponsor as well. You sponsor, of course, at the Curragh as well. You've always been involved in races because you yourself had a few rides as an amateur. Go back a few years.
Yeah, not today or yesterday. No, yeah. I rode as an amateur, rode out every morning before work and school for 25 years and loved every bit of it, and I'd still be doing it now only for a bad back, but no, it's I just love racing, and particularly national hunt racing. So, and yeah, we've good association with the Curragh. That's kind of the Volvo side of the business, whereas Naas is the Ford side of the business. So they kind of all fit well with what we do.
Great stuff. And of course, obviously this time of the year, people are changing cars, thinking about changing their cars. You look after them well in Finlay.
The more the merrier, yeah. yeah. This is our harvest, January, February, March. That's where it all happens. So it's going well. Yeah, thanks.
Car sales going well for the turn of the year.
Yeah. Still a huge amount of uncertainty out there with electric vehicles and people wondering what to do. And we've a display of electrics over here, and it's just a lot of uncertainty, but it'll get there, and but generally it's good. Commercial vehicles going very well as well, so yeah.
Great stuff. Gary, thanks for your continued sponsorship here at Naas, and of course the Curragh. I've seen a cracking horse run out, a good winner of your event here today, Dancing City.
Yeah, it looked really impressive. I just saw him going by the post for the first time with his ears pricked in ground as testing as that, and seemed to love every bit of it, so very impressive. So, yeah.
Cheers, Gary.
Thanks very much, guys. Cheers.